Just started playing the guitar and looking for songs you can learn quickly and easily? Here are 5 awesome tunes that you're going to be able to learn in no time at all. For each song, we're going to learn the chords. I'll put diagrams on screen, and the strumming patterns. I'll put diagrams on screen for that as well, and little extra things you can do once you start to progress on the guitar. We're going to kick it off with Nirvana's Something in the Way. Now we're going to play an E minor here. So an E minor, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Now, let's start off by playing E minor. Now, you're going to leave your second finger behind here and you're going to switch around to a C. Okay, so we've got down, 2, and C, and 4, and E minor, and 3, and 4, and now, if you're struggling to get there between those chords quickly, the best thing you can do is just to play on the 1, wait for it, and then just go a little bit slower. Just practice those 2 chords first. Right, now we're going to add the strumming. After you can do that a bit quicker, do a little bit quicker, so. Right, then what you're going to be able to do is play down, down, switch, down, down, switch, down, down, switch, down, down, switch. And then you're going to play down, 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 up. Okay, and then switch. All right, so it's going to sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and once you've got the hang of that, that's pretty much the whole tune. If you want to make it a bit trickier though, you could switch to the actual chord he plays, which is C with a G in the bass. You see I've just changed how my fingers work here. Instead of a regular C, I've put my 3rd finger there on the G, my pinky just in behind, so you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and All right, song number 2, we are going to learn how to play Never Can Tell by Chuck Berry from the Pulp Fiction movie, right? Appreciate it, it was a song before Pulp Fiction. We've got a C, which we had in the other tune before. Here's a C, and we can just switch around to a G. Okay, so let's practice those 2 chords. C, which we had before, and then these 2 fingers, you can either put them there and put your pinky there, so your index finger is free, and then switch back that way, or you can play C and switch around this way. Okay? Now, we have 6 bars of C. And right? There's a G. Right, so we had 6 bars, so a bar is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 6 of those, 8 Gs, and then another 2 bars of C, and hey presto, that's your song. If you've got the hang of that, we can add the riffs. Now, I've got my 3rd and 4th fingers on the 12th frets of the G strings. So you get this. Right, so, and then 11, 10, and then 9 on the G string, and 8 on the high E string. So, and then play a G7 like this. So it looks like a C, right, from before. Put your pinky in, hey presto, there's your song. There's your chord, right? Now, instead of playing the open chords, you could also do what Chuck does, where you basically get this. Now, I've got my 1st finger here on 8, my 3rd finger here on 10 on the low 2 strings, and then pinky. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then I'm putting my pinky on the 12 on the A string. So you get this chord, which is a C5, and then this chord, which is like a C6. So, and I'm just going down, up, but only on those two low strings, right? So you need 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, right? Now, we're going to do exactly the same thing, but down at the 3rd fret, right? With your first finger at the 3rd fret. Then we're going to go back up to that was song number 2. All right, some more open chords. We're going to learn Jambalaya by Hank Williams. Carpenters, loads of people did this song. We're going to start with a G. Remember that we had that before? You can play it like that, or you can play it like that. And we're going to switch to a D7. You could use a D if you wanted to. So you bum 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 bum. Now, if you like, you can leave your 3rd finger in a G like that. Bum, 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 bum. See, it doesn't have to move. Okay? Now, if you want to make it a bit more countrified, I guess, you go G. And we're going to switch to a D7, which is 0, 2, 1, 2. So, bum 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 bum. Now, what I was doing there was just playing this bum, bass, down, down, up, down, up, bum, 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 bum. You'll get the vibe of the tune, right? Now, if you wanted to make it a bit more, even more countrified, what you could do is you could alternate the bass. So you could play a bar chord here, a G, E-shaped bar chord. Now, what I'm doing here with my right hand is I'm playing bass, down, up, bass, down, up, bass, down, up, bass, down, up. Okay, so you get this 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3. Now, if you watched that bit of the Chuck Berry thing before, we played a C7 shaped chord. Now this is D7 in this position, so 5, 4, 5, 3. So you get G, D. And you switch your finger to get the bass. Back to G. So that is song number 3. All right, we're switching from country to blues here. This is Rather Go Blind by Etta James. If you put a capo on the 2nd fret, let's do that. You can play this song with a G and an A minor. Bow, bow, bow. Take your 3rd finger away. It's an A minor 7. Go back to G. Take your 3rd finger away if you like. Put it back on. Right. Or you can play it as they play it on the record with an A all in a row, or your 1st finger flat. Right? Then we're going to play a B minor. So to get from A to B minor, that's how you're going to do it. Switch up, put your fingers in. This is an A minor shaped bar chord. You could do a picking thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down. Right? Do you know what I mean? I said down when I went up there, but you know what I mean. Up, 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 down, 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 up, up. B minor. Back to A. Now this is also awesome if you've just learnt a minor pentatonic scale. So, if you've learnt a minor pentatonic scale, you'll know that that is what it looks like. So you could probably find a backing track somewhere on YouTube. I'll probably put one in the description. So here's my backing track that I just made with my looper. See all those notes? So as you go up and down the scale, sounds pretty cool, huh? You can stay in that pattern. As long as you like. All right, final song. This one we're going to use the B minor again. And we're going to use an E minor, which we had before. We've just skipped forward about 50 years. This is Falling by Alicia Keys. And same sort of thing, we can do E minor, B minor, E minor, B minor, E minor, B minor. That's the whole tune. Or you can do like a, just a play. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is how you play 5 songs with only 2 chords, but I guess there's a few levels throughout each of them. I hope this video has helped. Please do subscribe, click the bell. If you want the charts, go to patreon.com/Simon Morell. See you later. Bye for now.